Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to help you succeed in the online world. In today's video, we'll discuss SEO for cleaning companies and how you can dominate your local market. Cleaning companies are in high demand, and ensuring that your business stands out from the competition is important. One of the best ways to do this is through search engine optimization, SEO. So, let's dive into it. Step 1. Keyword research. The first step in SEO is keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases potential customers use to search for cleaning services in your local area. Once you've identified these keywords, you can optimize your website content around them. Step 2. Local SEO. It is optimizing your website to appear in local search results. Here are some tips for local SEO. 1. Create a Google My Business profile. This will help you appear in Google Maps and local search results. 2. Optimize your website for local keywords. Use local keywords in your website content, meta tags, and URL structure. 3. Get listed in local directories. List your business in local directories like Yelp, Angie's List, and Home Advisor. 4. Encourage online reviews. Positive reviews can improve your search engine rankings and attract new customers. Step 3. Content marketing. It involves creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Here are some tips for content marketing. 1. Create a blog. A blog is a great way to provide valuable information to your audience and improve your search engine rankings. 2. Use social media. Social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter can help you reach a wider audience and promote your content. 3. Video marketing. Create videos that showcase your cleaning services and share them on your website and social media channels. Step 4. Technical SEO. Technical SEO involves optimizing your website's technical aspects, such as site speed, mobile responsiveness, and website security. Here are some tips for technical SEO. 1. Optimize your website for mobile devices. Most users search for cleaning services on their mobile devices, so it's important to have a mobile-friendly website. 2. Improve your site speed. A slow-loading website can negatively impact your search engine rankings and user experience. 3. Use HTTPS. Using HTTPS, a secure connection, can improve your website's security and search engine rankings. In conclusion, SEO is crucial for cleaning companies looking to dominate their local market. By following these tips, you can improve your search engine rankings, attract new customers, and stand out from the competition. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for small businesses.